The introduction of carbon dioxide rock breaking equipment. The carbon dioxide rock breaking technology converts gaseous carbon dioxide into liquid carbon dioxide by utilizing high pressure and low temperature, which will release enormous energy to break rocks. A rock-breaking steel pipe is equipped with a heating pipe, an iron gasket, a sealing gasket, and ignition circuit devices. During site construction, the rock-breaking steel pipes are placed into holes. After switching on starter, microcurrent vaporizes the liquid carbon dioxide instantaneously through the heating pipes, releasing high-pressure gas energy and achieving the purpose of breaking the rock. The assembly of rock-breaking steel pipe. First, put the heating tube into one end of the rock-breaking steel pipe, and tighten the inflation head. Secondly, put the iron gasket and sealing gasket into the other end of the rock-breaking steel pipe, and tighten the deflation head. The inflation head and deflation head are tightened by using a pneumatic wrench. Finally, fill the rock-breaking steel pipe with liquid carbon dioxide. After that, the rock-breaking steel pipe is placed on the shelf. The distribution of bore holes. The distribution of holes can be divided into 2 or 3 rows depending on the actual terrain and rock type. Generally speaking, the distance between the first row and free face is also 250 cm to 300 cm. Besides, the hole pitch is 300 cm and the row pitch is 250 cm to 300 cm. Depth of the holes is 6 to 8 m. The on-site construction of carbon dioxide rock breaking system. After the assembled rock breaking steel pipes are transported to construction site, put some small stones into holes, which play a buffer role. Secondly, connect wires and test circuit with an ohmmeter. Thirdly, put the rock-breaking steel pipes into the holes and then plug the holes. Connect the wires in series or parallel way, which is connected with the starter for blasting. After blasting, the rock-breaking steel pipes are lifted by an excavator and transported to the factory to refill with liquid carbon dioxide. The large rocks after blasting need to be broken twice by the crushing hammer, and then transported out of the construction site according to the construction requirements.
可以。放气啊。
先这个空气洗管。
对，要先放个冲个管，洗个管。
우와.
松动了下。
啊，跟放盐。